Toyota Hilux. Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of pickup trucks with the Toyota Hilux, a legendary name in the industry. Known for its durability and capability, let's explore what makes this workhorse so popular. The Hilux exudes a rugged and robust appearance. Its muscular lines and high ground clearance convey a sense of strength and capability. The available off-road packages enhance its adventurous look, with features like raised suspension and aggressive tires. Step inside, and you'll find a practical and functional interior. The driver-oriented cockpit provides a commanding view of the road. While it's not as luxurious as some competitors, the Hilux focuses on durability and utility. The infotainment system features a sized touchscreen, offering essential connectivity and controls. The Hilux is built for both work and adventure. The powerful engine delivers ample torque for towing and hauling heavy loads. The suspension is tuned for a balance of comfort and off-road capability, making it suitable for various terrains. The available four-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability in challenging conditions. One of the Hilux's biggest strengths is its practicality. The spacious cabin accommodates passengers comfortably, and the cargo bed is massive, offering plenty of room for hauling gear. The available features like bed liners and tie-down points enhance its utility. The Hilux is at home in challenging conditions. Its high ground clearance, robust build, and available off-road features make it capable of tackling tough terrains. The available locking differentials and crawl control enhance its off-road prowess. Towing is a core competency of the Hilux. With its powerful engine and robust frame, it can handle heavy loads with ease. The available towing packages provide additional features to enhance towing safety and convenience. The Toyota Hilux is a true workhorse that can also handle family duties. Its blend of durability, capability, and practicality make it a popular choice for those who seek a reliable and versatile vehicle. Action to subscribe, line, and share for more car content.